Hi folks, it's good to see you all here again. There are some questions which have fairly short indirect answers, so I thought I'd go through some of these together. Riad asks if blocking CSS files in robots.txt causes any issues. The short answer is yes, it can cause issues, and you should avoid doing that. Being able to see a page completely helps us to better understand the page and confirm that it's mobile-friendly. Prathmesh asks if there's a simple guide for sitemaps available. Unfortunately, there's no common simple solution that works across all kinds of websites. However, most website setups have simple sitemap solutions of their own. Check your site's documentation for a sitemap setting or for a plugin that creates sitemap files. Often it's just a matter of turning that on and you're all set. Mischa asks if it's possible to reset the indexing of a website. Unfortunately, no, it's not possible to reset indexing. However, the good news is that if you've changed your website, search engines will automatically focus on the new version and drop the old version over time. You can help this along by using redirects from any old URLs to the new ones. Jacko asks if having RSS feeds is problematic for crawling since Googlebot fetches them so often. The short answer is no, these are not problematic. Google systems balance crawling across a website automatically. Sometimes this means crawling some pages more often, but this only happens once we've looked at the important ones already. Whew, that was a lot. I hope this helps to clarify some of these questions. If you'd like more information, join in on the discussions in our help forums or add your comments below. See you next time.